Hello, welcome to IT Expert YouTube video series. Today we are going to talk about Wireshark tutorial for beginners. Introduction to Wireshark. Are you curious about how data flows through a network? Want to learn one of the most powerful tools in a cybersecurity expert's toolkit? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into Wireshark, the world's most popular network protocol analyzer. Whether you are a complete beginner or just brushing up your skills, tutorial will give you everything you need to get started, from what Wireshark is to its features, real demos, and even common FAQs. So let's begin. What is Wireshark? First things first, what exactly is Wireshark? Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer. In simple terms, it allows you to capture and inspect network traffic in real time. It is used by professionals worldwide for network troubleshooting, protocol analysis, education and training, and even digital forensics. Think of Wireshark as a microscope for your network. Every time your device sends or receives data, that information travels in small chunks called packets. Wireshark lets you see those packets, open them up, and analyze exactly what's happening under the hood. It is free and open source. Works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Captures traffic in real time. And supports deep inspection of hundreds of protocols. Features of Wireshark. So why do professionals swear by Wireshark? Let's explore its key features. Live packet capture. Wireshark can capture traffic directly from your Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or even Bluetooth. Filtering power. You do not have to scroll through thousands of packets. Use filters like HTTP or IP address 192.168.1.1 to zoom in on exactly what you need. Protocol analysis. It supports hundreds of protocols, from TCP and UDP, to HTTP, DNS, and even encrypted ones like SSL or TLS. Color coding. Packets are automatically highlighted with different colors so you can quickly identify what is what. Exporting data. You can save your captures as .pcap files and revisit them anytime. Follow TCP stream. This powerful feature lets you reconstruct entire conversations between two IP addresses. Decryption support. And if you have the right keys, you can even decrypt SSL or TLS traffic. These features make Wireshark a must-have tool for IT professionals, cybersecurity experts, and researchers. Use case demo. Let's see Wireshark in action with a simple example. Capturing HTTP traffic. Step 1. Start Wireshark and begin a live capture on your Wi-Fi interface. Step 2. Open a web browser and visit a test website. Step 3. Stop the capture. You will now see a list of packets. Step 4. Apply the filter HTTP so only web traffic appears. Step 5. Click on a packet. Here, you can see detailed headers and even the payload. Step 6. Now, use the Follow TCP Stream feature. Suddenly, you can see the full conversation between your computer and the web server. With just a few clicks, Wireshark reveals exactly what data was sent and received. This is incredibly useful for spotting issues, debugging applications, or investigating suspicious activity. WHO uses Wireshark. Now you may be wondering who actually uses Wireshark. Almost every industry that relies on secure and stable networks. Cybersecurity firms use it for intrusion detection and network forensics. IT departments rely on it to troubleshoot slow or failing services. Healthcare providers monitor systems for HIPAA compliance. Banks and financial institutions analyze suspicious transactions and prevent fraud. And in universities and training programs, Wireshark is a go-to teaching tool to help students understand how protocols behave in real life. Simply put, if you are in IT or cybersecurity, Wireshark is a tool you will encounter sooner or later. Benefits of using Wireshark. So why should you care about using Wireshark? Here are the top benefits. Early threat detection. Spot suspicious traffic before it escalates into a full breach. In-depth packet analysis. Go beyond system logs and inspect the actual data packets. Completely free. Unlike many enterprise tools, Wireshark is open source and extensible. Easier troubleshooting. Diagnose real-world issues like packet loss, DNS failures, or handshake errors quickly. In short, Wireshark gives you visibility into your network that few other tools can match. Top 10 Wireshark frequently asked questions. Is Wireshark legal to use? Yes, as long as you are authorized to capture that network's traffic. Can Wireshark see encrypted traffic? Yes, but only headers. To see content, you will need decryption keys. Can it run on Mac OS and Linux? Absolutely. It is fully cross-platform. Is it safe to install Wireshark? Yes, if downloaded from the official website. Can Wireshark capture traffic from other devices on my network? Only if the network allows promiscuous mode or port mirroring. Does Wireshark affect performance? No, it is passive and has minimal impact. Can I use it on Wi-Fi? Yes, but some wireless adapters may limit what you can capture. Can Wireshark detect malware? Not directly. But it can reveal suspicious traffic patterns. How do I save a session? Go to File to Save As, and export as .pcap. Are there alternatives? Yes, tools like TCP Dump, Microsoft Network Monitor, or T-Shark. Call to action. We have covered what Wireshark is, its key features, a hands-on demo, who uses it, the benefits, and answered 10 of the most common questions. Wireshark is one of the most powerful free tools in the world of IT and cybersecurity. It gives you a window into what is really happening on your network. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you do not miss future cybersecurity lessons. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects, prepare you for the certification, provide real projects, internship opportunities, support you in resume LinkedIn, staffing support, provide tech references, in-person online class retake options, and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.